Open COMSOL. Click on New Blank Model. Ctrl+S to save. Name the file 3D Geometry. There are two ways. One is to import the 2D file, then extrude it. Another way is to draw the 2D geometry then extrude it. Let's do the import way first. Right-click on the root tree. Choose Insert Component from Model. Click on Browse. Choose 2D Geometry. Click on OK. Now add new component. Choose 3D component. Go to Geometry. Click on Work Plane. You need this work plane because you cannot create a 2D geometry inside a 3-dimension space. You will import the 2D geometry on this work plane, then extrude it to have a 3D geometry. Click on Plane Geometry. On the top bar, choose Import. In Source, choose Geometry Sequence. In Geometry, choose Geometry 1. Note that Geometry 1 is the name of the 2D geometry in Component 1. When you change its name Geometry 1 to something like Rectangle, you can see the name also changes in Import. Click on Build Selected. Click on Zoom Extents. Now click on Work Plane 1 and extrude it. Click on Zoom Extents to see it better. In Setting, under Distances, you can change the value to set the value of the extrude in Z direction. Let's set it to 3 meters. Click on Build Selected. Click on Zoom Extents. Now you have a 3D geometry. The second way is to draw 2D geometry on the work plane instead of import. Delete the 2D geometry. Delete the import. Delete the extrude. Now look at the left, click on Plane Geometry. For quick drawing, click on Sketch, then draw the rectangle. Click on Build Selected. Go back to Work Plane. On the top bar, go to Geometry. Extrude the work plane. In Settings, change the distance from plane to 3 meters. Click on Build Selected. Click on Zoom Extents. Now you know how to create 3D geometry from 2D geometry using Extrude. You can try Revolve, Sweep, and Loft yourself. Ctrl+S to save the file. See you in the next video on how to create 3D geometry directly from 3D.